hurricane season in Jamaica starts in June and ends in November. How do you prepare for a hurricane?
So I prepare for a hurricane by stocking up on like food and toilet tissue and mackerel and them something like that. Flour, rice, and then you protect like a glass part them in your house and a part them are easy for like lift up, you nail them down.
Well, I start by ensuring that all the trees around my house, the branches that are hanging loose, I get rid of them. Stocking up on non-perishable food items, ensuring that I batten down and store water for the hurricane.
Right now you have to just spray and rebuke the wind. Also you have to prepare, should in case it come, ensure that you batten up, have food and all of that. So should in case it come, you are not at a tremendous loss.
I haven't had that experience before, but what I would do is like follow whatever it is that the ministry, that the part of the government that is responsible for that aspect, whatever they advise, I would just do it.
Well, if a hurricane come, first thing I do, set up my house up, I know say it can't blow up, if I like go a zinc and them thing there, and put some storage to hold it down. You understand? But if otherwise, I'm in a concrete house, I have a prepare. And then secondly, I will get some food put in my house. I mean, so boy, in case the hurricane come and light gone, I have some things to store already and the freeze already. You understand?
Well, I normally go out, get the supplies when it's like a bulletin is issued that a storm is coming or a hurricane. So I will go to the supermarket, get my batteries, stuff like that.
You have to make sure you have food in the house, your roof all right, all the kids them in the house and so forth. And you know and say, well, you know say you don't have a touch back road. You know? All of the house have in the order like roofing and them something there. So I say grocery have in the house, water, you know? Whole lot of things so in a way we know say well, it accommodate that thing there. Hurricane program. See I say? Can you discuss and tell upon the news all the way there. You see I say? So just prepare yourself, proper way, real way. If you have a business, you go back on your business and them things there too. See me I say? Yeah, cause you don't know hurricane and normal someone might come. Over breeze, rain, so you have to well prepare.